this lesson, we're going to move on and we are going to add a countdown. Now you can keep this up here, or I can just click to delete it and it's going to delete the column. So let's add a countdown. Now countdowns are great if you have an event that you want to count down to. These are beautiful. You can adjust what you want to show. Do you want to show the days? You can pretty much remove what you want to show, or you can leave everything as it is. You can choose the countdown date drop down as well. So I'm going to go right here and choose that date, and it's going to automatically just adjust. You can go here for more settings. If you want to show the separator, it's going to show that separator there. The separator sign, you can change it. You can put the dash, whatever you put, that's what it's going to show. And you can choose custom labels for days. If you wanted to put something else, you can choose custom labels if you want it to be 1 or whatever number or word that you want to put there. This, you know, so that's the cool thing. So for custom labels, disable that. That's not there anymore. And let's go over to the styles again. You can change the background color for each one. So based on how you want your site to be, you can change that. You can change the opacity too for the strength of the colors. And you scroll down for the content. You can change a lot of things here for the separator. You can change the content for that. Go back to the common block. You have an inline. And for the padding, as you add, you notice that changes there for the padding for the top. I'm just putting in just random numbers and stuff, so you can pretty much do that. But this gives you a lot of flexibility with the countdown. You choose the date, you choose the color that best match your site, and you are ready to go.